here sa upcoming episode mo sa Renboy is parang meron siyang kapansanan mo, pero but she's still parang source of joy. So, I feel like ganito pa rin. Parang source of joy ng mga tao sa paligid mo. And of course, share with us your favorite scene dito sa episode.
Oh, I just want to say thank you to everybody, of course, for taking the time to join us today and it's a karangalan to be here. I really love playing my character here, which is Shane, kasi this is actually my first role na hindi ako bandita. Kasi for the past roles I've done for kontrabida, and this is the first time na naranasan ko maging hirap, mag-date sa snow area. So na-enjoy ko siya because I felt like I was able to explore my creativity as an artist. And to your second question, in terms of joy, I think I'm a very happy, bubbly person in real life. Kaya nagugulat sila pag nakikita nila ako as kontrabida, parang hindi ka naman ganyan in real life. So I think here, I was able to apply my personality as Shane, and yes, may kapansanan siya, so I like first step to it, explore ko talaga yung character, and I was able to have my creative freedom, and of course, with the support of the staff who were very helpful, and of course, my leading man here was also very helpful. Feeling ko yung paborito kong part was I don't want to spoil, pero sige, I'll give the light on the lang yung kasi here he gives me flowers, he gives me chocolate, so I like feeling that kilig, and I really like to bring that kilig to people kasi the reason naman kung bakit ako nag-artista is kasi I want to give people that source of entertainment and joy na kahit hindi maganda yung araw nila, pag uwi nila, napanood ka nila sa TV, kikiligin sila, magiging masaya sila. So I really love that about the story, and I'm very grateful to have my second episode here in Legal, so thank you for having me again. And I'm very happy to accept the role. And I'm always killing also, just being part of Legal. Thank you.
How would you compare yourself to the role of Shane? Parang, what are the similarities and differences? And of course, we also wanted to ask, you said nga na gusto mo yung acting because you're able to express yourself. Pero ano yung greatest dream mo aside from being an artist?
I think coming in Shane, the biggest similarity we have is our optimistic personality. Kahit you're faced with so many problems, there's always light, there's always resilience. And I see that with her kasi grabe may kapansanan na siya. Pero she is still able to find the good in life. And kaya may magagandang nangyayari sa kanya. Kasi for as long as you have that energy, it radiates. So, and my dream role, ano pa bang dream role ko? Siguro, fantasy din. Sa ganda natin, gusto ko maging fairy. Sila kung gusto nila maging action star. Gusto ko maging fairy. Gusto ko maging... ganon. Ewan ko, never ko pa na-try. Pero, that would be fun. That would be a lot of fun. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Roxy.
Thank you so much, Mara and Roxy. Naku, mukhang kikiligin talaga kami sa episode ninyo, So, next up is Mr. Richard Pabigawan of Lion Horror TV.
Hello, good afternoon. Yung question ko ay para kay Prince. Gusto ko lang malaman paano yung paano yung pairing yung dito ni Roxy, and paano nga nag-inisip kasi kayo paano pair kayo dito, love kayo dito, paano manipulate yung eyes pag nilapit kayo?
Well, yung pairing kasi namin ni Roxy dito sa show na ito, first, syempre, may initial attraction kami. Nung una ko siya nakita, napakanga ako sa ganda. And then, syempre yun. And then, nung mas nakilala ko siya, mas napakanga ako sa positive outlook na style. So, kahit na may kapansanan siya, hindi ko pinapansin yun. Mas pinapansin ko yung pagiging positive niya sa buhay. Kaya ako napaharap talaga sa akin.
Actor. And siyempre yung role mo dito sa Runway, sa delivery boy. So, ano na yung naging realization mo after doing it?
Di pala madaling maging delivery boy. Di pala madaling magmotor. Actually kasi, di talaga ako marunong magmotor. And then, pinaka-ready lang sanang spot double para sa akin. Pero I already told myself na I wanna do this. But I wanna learn how to drive a motor. And then fortunately for me, I was able to do it. And ako na nakagawa ng mga eksena na yun. So hindi talaga madali mag-delivery boy. Kaya hats off sa mga delivery boy natin ngayon na grabe yung sipag nila, girig ng araw, pero you know, they really work hard para maka-act sa buhay, para maka-deliver ng mga parcel nila. So, di biro yung delivery.
Natanong ko lang, gano'ng katagal mo inaral yung pag-ano ka? Kasi
fast learner naman ako. Pero madali lang, kasi marunong naman ako mag-bike. So, ang difference lang is, mas mabigat yung motor and I really have to balance it. So, madali lang, mga 1 minute lang, pinakita lang sa akin kung paano na nakuha ko lang ito. Okay.
thank you, Prince.
Thank you so much, Sir Richard. And of course, tawagin din natin, Mr. Neil Ramos of Tempo.
Magandang hapon. My question is for Prince. Hi sir, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
I understand na yung show mo ay feature na bida ka ay papalabas ngayon Sunday or whatever.
Kami dalawa po ni Hazel.
Okay. Pwede mo bang magbigay ng konting pasabing sa mga fans? Ano maabangan nila ng dating episode?
So yung kwento ng story namin is yung Heartbreak Shop. So ako, may-ari ako ng isang business. Yung mga range room, yung pwede kang magwala, sumigaw, pagpasat ng mga plato. Tapos si Hazel ay isang loyal customer na laging humahagulgul doon. Then one day, maabutan niya na yung may-ari pala ng shop, ang pinakamalakas na magulgul sa buong Heartbreak Shop. Then doon mali-reveal lahat yung backstory ko, kung ba't ako naging sad boy. And very bago to role sa akin eh, na very emotional, parang sad boy na medyo awkward. So, magandang experience na rin sa akin. And of course, si Direk Jojo, sobrang gaan ka-work, kaya konting reminders lang, okay na yung eksena namin. Tsaka maaga kami na-pack up.
Dagdag ko lang, kung saan ang mga trabaho sa Hazel?
First time kami nag-eksena, pero nagiging na kami sa abot kami ng pangarap kasi nag-nurse ako doon. So, napakagaan naman. And yun, abangan nyo na lang. Nag-enjoy ako sa paggawa ng episode na to.
Sir, nabanggit mo yung shop na hinahawakan mo dito sa show na to, ano ba? Heartbreak.
Heartbreak Shop yung pangalan, pero ano siya, yung range room. Pwede ka magpasag-pasag ng mga plato.
Okay, nakikita mo sa sarili mo mag-put up on something like that in real life?
Ako siguro hindi, kasi feeling ko malulugi. Kasi hindi malakas yung ganang negosyo, kaya hindi.
Oh. Thank you, man. That's all. Salamat.